Let me tell you a story. Bago ko magkwento ng story, kinakabahan ako. I have a girlfriend named Moriel. 6.5 years na po kaming magkasama. Andito po siya ngayon. Andito siya. Diba? Ganda niya, di ba? So our prayer gatherings is happening every Saturday. I preach there at SM Bikutan Cinema 1. And then today, iba yung mangyayari. Welcome to Feast Bikutan. Are you happy you're here? Who are first-timers here? First time dito sa Feast Bikutan. Welcome. Give them a big hand. If you're around them, shake their hands. Hug them. Welcome them. Say to them, welcome to the happiest place on earth.
Wala pa nga ako talk eh.
Ang press release ko, i-cover ng Kirigma Magazine yung buong feast. Kaya dapat talagang everybody's there, bring another person para hindi masyadong mahalata ni Moriel. So ganun yung ginawa ko.
Welcome to the feast! Better things are coming!
So all the people there, a lot of my servants, a lot of our leaders know about this. So they have been helping me prepare all of this. Yung music ministry head namin, inassign siya na maging part ng music ministry. Magli-lead singer siya para nasa stage na siya. Di bali pagpunta mo dito, check-in mo na lang. Pero pupunta ka na doon, yung prompter kailangan. Teka lang, nasaan yung sing-sing?
Nandiyan naman.
Akala ko yung sing-sing pa yung nakawala eh. Bira eh. Later on, so basically what will happen is that hindi niya alam na andyan yung mga pamilya niya, andyan yung mga kaibigan niya, people from different feasts also will be coming over. Is idolatry. Can you say idolatry? Idolatry happens when something is more than important than God. Maybe for some of you, for some people, their idol is money. Some their cars, some their watches, their job. And when something fails, meron nangyari sa'yo, you fall down, may nangyari sa'yo. Iniwan ka ng tao na yon, hindi ka sinuportahan. Mauubusan na naman yung love tank mo. If you have a God-shaped hole in your heart and you put God to cover it, you will be secured with God's love. And no matter what happens in your life, kahit bagyoin ka ng buhay, even if a lot of people walk away on you, even if you fail a lot of times, hindi malalaglag yung pag-ibig na yun. Why? Moriel and I, when we got together, we were 19 years old. I was 19 years old, 18 years old siya noon. Nung una, we are needy. We are angry. Pero you know what? In every change that happens, kulang pa rin. After 3 years, ito na. My heart and her heart searched for something more. Tinanong namin sa sarili namin, is this what relationships are all about? Kanina, sinabi ko na we dated when we broke up, nag-date. And you know what? It has impacted our relationship so much. Nasaktan siya, nasaktan din ako. But you know what? Nung nasaktan ko siya, anong sinukli niya sa akin? Ang sinukli niya sa akin, her loving embrace, her loving arms. She took me back, accepted me for who I am. I experienced unconditional love from her. The reason why I kept our relationship for so long, because I know that, and I have seen the face of God in her. Nung panahon na nag-date ako, wala akong ibang minahal na babae bukod sa God. When I said, Muriel, when I said to you that was the last time that I am going to love you, totoo yun. And today, I'm declaring that it will be the last time that I will ever fall in love. The first time I fell in love was long ago. I didn't know how to give my love at all.
And then that time, when we were dating each other, I said, tama na. Tama na. We need to step back and reassess things. Hindi na rin tayo tumatanda. So, that is the time wherein we really turned to God. Naghiwalay muna kami, hindi kami nag-usap, hindi kami yung break, tapos kunwari, nagte-text-text pa rin. Maraming ganun eh. Kunwari, break, cool off, tapos nag-uusap pa din. Pero kami talaga, nag-decide kami, break muna tayo for ilang weeks. Yung talagang hindi tayo mag-uusap. And that is the time I searched for something more. That is the time I searched for God. Doon nagsalita ang Diyos sa akin, Velden, Muriel is not the answer to your needs. I am the answer. So what did I do? I got that love from God again. I put it in my heart. And at the same time, yun din pala yung ginagawa niya. She talked to God, and that was the same message from God to her, na hindi siya basihan ng pagiging masaya niya. Anong nangyari noon? Nung nangyari yun, we got back together. Nung nagkabalikan kami, sinabi ko sa kanya, Muriel, paano kung magkahiwalay tayo ulit? Anong mangyayari? I was shocked by her reply. Sabi niya, alam mo, pagka nangyari yun, okay lang. Okay lang. Hindi na kasi sa'yo umiikot yung mundo ko. Sa Diyos na.
Now, don't hold back. Please let me know. Could I be moving much too fast or way too slow? 'Cause all of my life I've waited for this day to find that once in a lifetime. This is it. I'll never be the same. You'll never know what a stake can be to say these words. But now that I said them, they could never mean enough. As far as I can see, there's only you and only me. This is the last time I'll fall. May tanong at may request ang buong feast bikutan. Kasama ko. Ang sabi nila, say yes, marry him, be our first lady. Muriel. Will you marry me?
blockbuster ito. Yung sequel nito, antayin ninyo. For sure, magiging maganda po yan.
Very, very blessing. What a blessing na nandito kami ngayon. Napanood namin lahat ng God's love. Perfect.
Grabe! Pupunta ako sa wedding day!
The best, the best. Congrats! Congrats, Belden, Muriel.